journey begins with a 2-hour car ride to the port of Phuket. Nestled in the azure waters of the Andaman Sea, the Similan Islands stands as a beacon of untouched natural beauty just off the coast of Phuket, Thailand. Renowned for their pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life, these islands beckon adventurers and nature's lovers alike to explore their captivating wonders. The journey to the Similan Islands has been nothing short of extraordinary. From the vibrant coral reefs to the secluded beaches, each moment has been a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. And as I bid farewell to these islands' paradise, I will carry with me the memories that will last a lifetime and a newfound appreciation for the precious ecosystem that inhabit our planet. And until next time we meet again, Similan Islands, I want to say thank you for the unforgettable adventure.